In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix your Amazon Fire TV if it has a black screen. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, if you are using your remote, what I'd recommend doing is replacing the batteries just to rule out that, as well as pressing the power button again just to make sure it's not a remote issue. If that doesn't work, try turning your TV on manually using the power button on the bottom or side of your TV. And then from here, I want to go ahead and check out those power connections if you're still having issues. Just make sure the power cable is fully plugged into the back of the TV. Also, make sure that it is securely plugged into a wall outlet, as well as try different outlets if needed. You could also plug in another device to that same outlet just to confirm that it is working properly. But when everything looks fine with that power cable, what you're going to want to do is try a soft reset. So unplug your Fire TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds, and then plug it back in and try turning it on again using the physical power button. If your screen is still black, do a hard reset by unplugging the TV from power and then pressing and holding down on the power button on the TV for 30 to 60 seconds. And it's going to drain any leftover power and could fix deeper system issues. One more thing that you can try is by using a flashlight. Just hold a light a few inches away from the screen. If you faintly see images, the backlight may be damaged. In that case, unfortunately, you may need a professional to repair your TV, or you may just have to get a new one. But those are the best ways to fix a black screen on your Amazon Fire TV. Try each of these steps carefully and your TV should be working again. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.